another video. So today's video I'm actually going to be unboxing another kind of mystery box thing. So I am super excited about it. This box is from 33 Vintage on Depop. I have been wanting one of their boxes for the longest time. I love their Depop a lot, and I think it's like a really unique Depop. Yeah, so I really like everything on their Depop, but like their stuff is a little bit more pricey, so I haven't ever been able to buy a piece from them. I just started these mystery box type of things, sort of like Internet Girl, and their mystery boxes run around $150. So you know, your girl's broke, so can't buy one, but they actually went on sale, so I was able to snatch one, and this was only $100. So I'm going to be unboxing it. I got this in the mail yesterday. It actually came pretty quick. The listing says that it usually takes a week to 2 weeks, but I actually got it in about a week, maybe even less, I don't know. It's very similar to Internet Girl's bundles. I'll put the description somewhere on the screen. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this box. I don't know which way it goes, to be honest. I'm gonna do it this way. So I'm kind of nervous about this one, not as much as I was the Internet Girl one. I still am kind of nervous, like I don't know what to expect. So I asked basically for the same thing as I did for my iGirl bundle. I asked for the grunge gothy look, and I said that my style inspos are 2-4 and Courtney Love. It's going to kind of be the same theme as the iGirl bundle. I'm super nervous. Okay. So this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna pull this out first. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, I've seen these bags. I've always like been like, should I get one of those? But I never see like just black ones. So this is so cute. Like, oh my god, this is actually amazing. Like, I love this already. I'm so excited about whatever else is in here. But it's just like a little corset thing bag. I think there's actually stuff in here, so I'm gonna wait till the end to open. That. I'm super excited now. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So should I read the note first? I don't know. The note looks so cute already. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, actually, I'm gonna save this till the end, I guess. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna save this till the end because I don't want to give it away. Okay. But I think I know what this is. Oh my god. Because I just, okay, snuck a peek. So I'm gonna just start with this. I don't even know what to start with. It just looks so good already. So. Oh my god. So this is like a little lip service. I think it's either patches or a tapestry, because I sneaked a peek of the letter and it said that it was a tapestry. But I think you can even like cut these out and make them patches, but it's a lip service one. Oh my god, this is amazing. I just did a haul, like literally just finished filming a haul. It'll be up by the time this video is up, but I recently purchased a lip service shirt from their website. So oh my god, this is amazing. Okay, already like super excited. Oh my god. Okay, so next thing I see in here is some I guess they're like stockings, but they're white, and oh my god, literally don't have any white stockings, and I've been wanting to like buy white, you know, stockings and like fishnets, so this is amazing. I'm, oh my god, already obsessed. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, what is this? Oh my god, this is amazing. This is so pretty. Okay, so it is this dress thing, and it's like, it has like a, oh my god, this is so pretty. So it has like a corset type of thing at the front, and then it's like super like flowy, I don't know, just so perfect. Like, oh my god. Yeah, so that's what that looks like, and I'm gonna try everything on Like literally check. I'm gonna try everything on at the end so that you guys can see what it looks like. But it has like ribbon on it, and then it's just like very like, I don't know, very magical. So there's that. Okay, and then I see this. Oh my god, I have a feeling like I had a feeling that there was gonna be an Emily the Strange shirt in here. I don't know why, but oh my god. Okay, so so this is an Emily the Strange shirt, and then on the front it says mishap, miscellaneous, misdemeanor, misanthropic, misconduct, mischievous, misguided, misdirection, it just says like a bunch of like misfit, misplaced, mistrust, mistake, misunderstood, and then it has like the little cat and she's like literally drawing it, and then on the back it says misunderstood. And I don't know if this is like a red or pink, but it's super cute. So cute. Okay, so that was what was in there, and now I'm going to open up this little bag. Okay, there's some stuff in here. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is amazing. Okay, so it is this like huge safety pin necklace thing. Oh my god, this is literally amazing. Okay, I can't. So yeah, it just looks like that. Oh my god, this was so worth it. All these pieces are see, that's the reason I wanted to purchase one of these mystery box things, was because their shop is super unique. It's not like anybody else's shop on Depop. They have a bunch of rare, very unique pieces, and that's why their stuff goes for a little bit more on their shop, which I totally understand, and that's why I've always wanted to like either buy a box from them or buy something from them, but you know, your girl don't have that much money, so all this was really worth it. I've never seen any pieces like this. I've never seen this piece before, so this is amazing. Like, oh my god, I'm so excited about this. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and read the little letter here. So it says, Emily, thank you so much for purchasing a style box from us. Honestly, 100% obsessed with this fit that we made for you. It's definitely one of my all-time faves. Since your theme was based on T4 and Courtney Love, the whole song Doll Parts came to mind, as well as Layla's effortless goth energy. TBH, I literally found this dress the day after you bought your style box, and I thought of you instantly. It's by Scene in the 90s, and it's absolutely stunning. I saw on your IG that you like to take photo ops and thought that this would be really fun for that. I personally love the corset and single bow deets on the side. We also stumbled upon your YouTube channel and watched a couple of videos, like your room tour, where you show us your Emily the Strange wall art, and of course had to give you this t-shirt because your name is Emily. It would look so cute paired with the dress for a layered look. Also noticed the gigantic safety pin on your wall and thought that was just so good. Austin made you this custom jumbo safety pin necklace that I thought that you might really like. Wanted you to have this little black corset bag because cuteness. I know how you like to decorate your room, and I thought maybe you could use this lip service tapestry or use for some patches on denim you already have in your wardrobe. Lastly, wanted to include doll socks because nothing says doll parts like some white dolly thigh highs. Thank you so much for trusting in us to style you, and I hope you love everything as much as we do. XX33 Vintage. Oh my god, this letter is so sweet. Like, oh my god, like literally so personal. This literally like made me want to cry almost. But like I said, I've never seen a necklace like this, so oh my god, so this is literally custom. I am so like, I want to cry, honestly. That is so freaking sweet. So yeah, I actually have a safety pin back there if you guys didn't notice. And I also just changed my room around, but I'm definitely going to be using that tapestry because it's super cool. So yeah, oh my god, this style box was so worth it. They literally took the time to like look through my YouTube, my Instagram, and literally just like, I don't know, it's so sweet. Like, I honestly want to go and buy another one like right now. But yeah, so definitely go check out 33 Vintage on Depop. That is where I got it, and I'll link everything, all of their Instagrams and Depop and everything in the description. But like I said, super worth it. Their items are unique, and so I kind of just put like my trust in her because I know that they're both very, their whole aesthetic is so cool to me. I'm really glad that I was able to get my hands on one of these because I had been wanting one, like I said, for the longest time. So I am going to be trying this stuff on, and I'll show you guys what it looks like on. I cannot get over this box. Like, I just can't. It's so perfect. It's so on point with everything that I like asked for. So this is what the dress looks like. It's so cute. It fits so perfectly. It's so cute. Like, I like ruggedness of the cut of it. And then it has this little like corset design here, obviously. And then so I would probably pair this dress with these boots, or even like these, or my favorite pair of heels that have like crosses and everything on them. And then here is what the back looks like. This is what it looks like with the shirt underneath. I probably wear this shirt on its own just because like I want everybody to be able to see the graphics on it. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like also with some shorts on. Yeah, this is what the shirt looks like, and this is, I just paired some shorts with it. And then this is what the necklace looks like. I can't get over this necklace. I had my safety pin earrings on. Like, I love safety pins so much. I don't know why. It just is like very grungy. So yeah, I was literally, when I opened it up, I was like, I think this might actually be handmade because I've never seen a necklace like this, and it's so amazing. But yeah, I love this little shirt. I'm a sucker for graphic tees, so they're just one of my favorite things because I can just easily throw something on. It's so easy to style, and then they're also very versatile. You can like style them with like dresses, skirts, shorts, pants, whatever. So I'm in love with this graphic tee. So cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell me what your favorite piece was below, and also tell me if you're going to get one, and also if you're going to get one of these boxes, what theme you would get. But yeah, go give them some love. Go check out their Instagram and Depop. They are so amazing, both of them. Their names are Austin and Nikki. So yeah, it's a couple that does it. Yeah, go check them out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.